If you're looking for a nice starter home or a great investment property, you're going to want to check out our brand new listing. We are at 716 15th Street Northwest. This is a 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom home that sits on just about a 1/4 acre of land. It's a little skinnier, but it's really deep, so you've got a great backyard. We do have a 1-stall detached garage as well. There's been some nice updates throughout the property. It does have a current rental permit as well. And it has some really great original hardwood floors in here too. I'm super excited to show you guys around this property, and I don't want to waste any more time, but be sure to stick around till the end of the video to find out more information on this property. But first, let's take a tour. What a great property, right? The best part is it can be yours for just $139,000. So if you'd like to turn this into your home or your investment property, click the link in the description or call or shoot one of us a text. We'd be happy to show you around. This has been Tyler Montgomery with Team Montgomery and 218 Real Estate. Take care.